In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment pending. So if your payment is pending on Venmo, what you can do is you need to make sure to actually think or decide how you want it to be. So if your payment is pending and you want to take it back, don't worry because we have the option to do that. But if your payment is pending and you still want to send it, what you can do is you first need to head over and make sure what makes this payment pending. So your payment is pending because the phone number or email address that you have sent or you have sent money to is not verified or not associated with Venmo. So if you still want to send them funds to that, you just need to ask the recipient for their updated information and show them the screenshot of the pending payment, which means that they need to actually register through that way. Now, if you want to take it back, you just need to head over to your Me tab. Find a transaction on top of your transactions feed and under the payment in question, click on Take Back option and it should be able to return to you. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.